Okay, hello and welcome to our course on how to create Prezi presentations and Prezi videos. My name is Nicole Denamer. I'm the owner of Sustainable Strategies. We're a sustainability consulting company, but a large portion of our work focuses on training and education. And I have a background in education, taught graduate level classes at a couple of institutions. And so we wanted to share what we learned about Prezi and what we really love about Prezi so that other people can utilize this tool. So in this quick video, we're just going to go over some of the high-level concepts and things that we really like about Prezi before we dive into some of the kind of specifics of the mechanics of how to actually create Prezis and also some tips and tricks and shortcuts to help you be more efficient. So diving right in, the first thing we really love about Prezi is the ability to organize your content by concepts. So unlike PowerPoint, which forces you into this kind of linear cadence for your content, with Prezi you actually have kind of what they refer to as a blank canvas, which would be the screen here, and then you can organize your content by various concepts, usually about 3 to 6, and we'll dive into that a little bit more in later lessons. But then you can break those concepts further down into topics and subtopics, and that really helps, I think, explain your content in a way that's meaningful as opposed to forcing it into this kind of linear pattern. So we really like that about Prezi. The other thing is storytelling. Prezi is a super powerful tool for storytelling, and as experienced educators, we know that storytelling helps people understand and more importantly retain content. And think about it, when we're trying to teach children, we tell them stories or fables. They remember those stories, they remember those lessons. So it works just as well on adults, and so we use storytelling. And one part of storytelling is visuals. So I'll give you an example here. This is a picture that we use quite often in our work. This is the Bullitt Center in Seattle, a super high-performing building. And I could say, I want to direct your attention to this particular place on the solar array. You know what? Let's actually zoom in and take a closer look at that particular spot. So Prezi is really effective at kind of using the power of storytelling through visual images, which really resonate with people in order to get your content to stick. And I can say, this picture's distracting, so I want to get rid of it. Right, and the other thing you can do is really powerful branding. So now we're using Prezi video, and you can see me and I'm talking through the content. We can also tell stories in more subtle ways. So I could change the background if I wasn't talking to be, for example, one of these images that we use a lot. We're a sustainability company, so natural images are part of our brand and they're part of our story. And so you can kind of use these more subtle ways to tell your story through your content by utilizing Prezi, and we really like that. So then the last thing is, Prezi's web-based. I do a lot of speaking and presenting, and I have for years, and I got so sick of carrying around and losing the thumb drives, making sure I had the right connectors for whatever computer was going to be at the facility that I was going to speak at. All I have to do is tell the organizers, look, I need a strong internet connection and a laptop that works with your stuff, and you just have to show up, log into the program, and you're ready to go. So it saves a lot of the hassle, it saves a lot of the stress, and I really enjoy that web-based part of it. So we'll dive deeper into the mechanics of Prezi, how to actually build Prezi presentations and Prezi Next, and then, like I said, some of the tips and tricks. And we're really excited to have you here in this course. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next module.